Hey you guys, welcome to part 2 of the Nadula hair installment. And in this video, you guys will be seeing me installing my wig, but also defining my curly hair. And when I install the wig, I am using no glue, no gel, no tape. It's crazy, right? But it's laying on there pretty nice and snug. So if you would like to know more, stay tuned. Like I said before, I did take the bundles in the frontal and I did make it into a wig. Now I'm just going to cut off that extra cap material that's underneath the lace frontal. So what you need to define your curly hair is very simple. I just have this spray bottle and it only has warm water in it, and when it sprays, it's like a mist spray. You can find this spray bottle off Amazon, Cosmoprof, Sally's Beauty, and I'm going in with the Nairobi foam wrap. So because the wig is so thick, I kind of have to do it in sections. So I'm just going to start with the back part, and I'm just spraying the water all over it, and I'm making it nice and damp, not too wet. I don't want to drench the water. I don't want to drench the hair in water. After that, I go in with the Nairobi foam wrap and I use like a good amount, because this is what really makes the curl. Like, this is what helps keep the curl in the shape and nice and soft. I hate crunchy curls on me. Like, it's nice on some people until you touch it, but on me, I like it nice and soft, and I promise you guys this really works. Like, I do this all the time and it helps my curls look so nice and fluffy. I even have a few people stop me sometimes like, hey, what do you use on your curly hair? And it actually lasts for a few days, so you don't have to go in and keep touching up. But it also depends where you live at, because if it's really hot outside, then you have to like go in and touch it up. But if it's cool and you working with some good weather, then you could get some wears with this. Like, it will actually last. But anyway, I just go ahead and do the same routine that I did in the back all over the hair, and then I comb it out and detangle it, but I'm also crunching the hair up so it can maintain that curl pattern. This is what the hair is looking like after I finished defining all of the hair on the wig, and it's looking really nice. So after that, I leave the wig to air dry for about an hour and a half, and I come back and it's looking like this. Soft, nice, fluffy curls, in my opinion. I like my curly hair like this. So to tint the lace, and yes, I did go in and tint the lace, I'm using the Lace Gurus in the shade Caramel Frappe. If you're interested in this lace tint, this is like the best lace tint I ever used. I'll be sure to leave the link below. Y'all see that lace frontal blending into my skin? Yes, Nadula hair. Yes, come through. So far I'm really liking how the wig is going. I do think I should have beat my face and probably put on a black top to really make it pop more, but it's okay. I think it's still looking cute, and I'm getting too hype, y'all. So I'm also gonna pin down the back to secure the wig, and inside the wig I already attached the elastic band, so that's how I got the top to lay so flat. Now I'm just going in and adding a few baby hairs. Y'all see? I want to fully install this wig, but I don't like sleeping with like long hair. I hate it so much. So to make my life easier, I'm just gonna spray the air tabs with some Got To Be Glued Freeze Blast spray. I'm just gonna do that. So if you ever tried to lay down your wig with Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast spray, I recommend first you spray 2 layers on the wig. You dry the first layer till it's nice and tacky, then you spray another layer, and then you lay your wig on top and then spray another layer on top of the lace and go in and blow dry again. So 3 layers altogether. But for this video, because I'm going to take the wig off right after, I'm only doing 2 layers. After I got the air tabs down, I'm just gonna go in and style the baby hairs with the Nairobi foam wrap. So I really like how the hair looks down, but I bought these little clips from Primark and oh my god, they are so cute and I was fiending to try them out. So I was like, let me try it out in this wig and it came out pretty cute. So this right here is pretty much my end results. I wanted to keep it pretty simple. A lot of you guys are probably like, girl, is it gonna be in the wig sale? Yes, I was put in the wig sale. I did not wear it go anywhere. After I did this review, I took it right off. So I really like this hair and totally recommend. The shedding, I did get shedding, but the shedding was medium. As for tangling, I did get tangles when I was defining the hair, but after that it came right out. As for the lace looks really nice with my skin. I could have added a little bit more powder to the part, but it still came out great. And my height is a 5'6", and the longest length on this wig is 26 inches. It is very full. As for the cap size, I made the cap size pretty average, so if you have a large head, I do not recommend you looking out for this wig if you're interested in it for the wig sale. And I love how I bleached the hair and the curl pattern came back. It looks so nice. Alright, so this is the amount of hair I have left out of the 3 bundles that I used. Mind you, I have a whole bundle left that's not colored, that's not touched, and look how full it is. But I only got that bundle just in case 3 bundles wasn't enough, but it is enough for me. Like, the density is very thick, but it's not too heavy where it's like, you know, overpowering me, making my head look big, and it's not like heavy on my head. It's just a good thick density, I believe, for every day. So I colored this hair just in case I needed to add more hair, or if I wanted to do a updo style, I could add this to the ponytail. And as for the wig sale, it is coming, you guys. Be patient. I have a lot of wigs to review, a lot of virgin hair wigs, so please stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.